Magandang hapon.
G'day viewers, Warick and Aireen, video 4 where we get the van ready for sale, we do some cleaning and Warbie growls at the neighbours. Okay, Warbie owns the world, if you didn't know. And let's just watch and tell us what you think. Please comment, please message us, we'll respond always, and enjoy.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Warbie.
Morning. You haven't got your microphone turned on, so I won't be able to hear you. Someone's coming to look at the van. So, and of course, I was blowing dust everywhere yesterday, so things are dusty. This is 22 years old, this van, and it's absolutely beautiful. That's why we bought it. We didn't want a big van like this. Anyhow, that oven's probably, we don't believe it's ever been used in 23 years. Fridge is, it's turned on, it's cold. The fridge is freezing. Toilet, or shower, sorry. Toilet. Aireen.
Hi there.
It is definitely a lovely place to stay. It's got 800 watts of solar panels on the roof, two 400 watt panels, 200 amp hour lithium ion batteries, and an enormous big 3000 watt inverter. So we go away, we don't need to plug into any power, which is really very good. You just pull up on the side of the road and just live. So it's a little bit older, but it's in beautiful condition. Anyhow, they're coming from out in the bush. They're due here in the next 4 or 5 hours. Let's hope. One of the things that's holding us back from getting out of here is this big thing sitting on our driveway. See what Mummy's up to, Warbie, come on.
Come.
Inside. Water keys. Water. Oh, I've got an assistant. So you can see whether your caravan's too heavy on the table.
Want some breakfast? Here you go.
Do I have to be a monkey? There's a monkey. There's a little monkey. This is, what are you eating?
Breakfast. Half of the banana. Jesus.
Why not? I'm checking up on you. Well, did you just, now the whole world knows. I'll show you from the back. Don't know what I was looking at then.
on my magic attachment. Bought this from Vivor, and it's the best $100 I've spent. That's it. Just purge the pump a little bit. I had this thing serviced more than once, I believe, and I thought it needed major attention. Anyhow, there's a local bloke that came out in recent times, and he took the tapper cover off, and he said that he didn't think the tapper cover had ever been off it in its whole life, which means it had never been adjusted, which is something that should have been done when it was serviced a couple of times. So anyhow, he said, I think I've got some spares at home. So anyhow, he adjusted it as it was. It started like a dream. Every time after that, he's since put the second-hand rocker piece in there. Cost me not much at all. I thought this thing was dead. One of the review guys said that because the camera's offset on the back of the Triton, that it's hard to get accurate reversing. If I didn't roll back so far, it would have been perfect. A little bit to go. Anyhow, let's make it look nice. Maybe I can get rid of some of that. I couldn't start it before. Now it starts like this. Every time. Find yourself a decent engine man and stick with it. Oh, so the lunch is done. Aireen's all ready for work again. What did you do this morning? Clean the caravan?
Yes.
What else did you do?
Painting.
More painting.
I'm going for 8 hours shifts.
8-hour shift looking after the oldies. We just had oh, somebody's here.
All right.
All right.
Turn it off.
This gentleman's just come here to look at our caravan. What's your name, sir?
Wayne.
Wayne. How are you, Wayne? Warwick, nice to meet you. And
It's
Mrs.
all right.
Wayne.
You can go back.
Lorena. Oh, that's right. It's on the Facebook thing. Go have a look. Help yourself. All right, we've literally just, I've been cleaning the driveway. I'm about 2 minutes away from finishing, but the lunch came and...
I didn't want to pile up the lawn because it would have squashed it.
Yeah, it's got
Well,
a little hooky thing.
Yeah, baby. Okay.
There you go. All right. Anyhow, there's Warbie's realised you're here. So, anyhow, yeah, just hold it and push. That's it. Yeah. Anyhow.
and what's it like to tow it?
Well, I've only towed it twice. It's all right. Well, they made an offer. It's a super lovely caravan. There's the inverter up the top and the battery level down the bottom. Haven't used it very much, but you know, things changed. Aireen's home from a busy day at work. How was your work?
Tired.
Oh, what did you do today?
I did painting. I did caravan cleaning.
And big celebration. And
And
we
I
got
was cook. I cook lunch.
with
And we sold the caravan.
we sold the caravan, so we got a deposit.
Here you go.
Yep. Well, just a little bit spoiled.
What are you doing there? He is mine.
Mummy's getting jealous, Warbie. Successful day because we sold the caravan.
Bye, Warbie.
So the van's getting ready to go. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hey Tony. Tony's a Sparky. He's sorting out the wiring for this thing. So it's getting adapted for multiple purpose. And then the van is heading out to Mora. Is it Mora or Maura? Maura. We're heading out to Maura. Yeah. So and Warbie has got a new friend for life.
Need that.
So we've been to the bank, had lots of fun at the bank. We got the money in the bank. And Tony's had a win. It might have been a hold that for me. How'd you go, Tony?
Got it done. It certainly isn't by the book, but it'll work.
So now it's just got a different type of plug on it, but it's got the braking system working. And these guys will be able to get all the way back to Maura, which is about 4 or 5 hours away. And thank you, Tony.
Okay.
Thanks for coming out with short notice. I rang Tony last night and the spur of the moment, when can you come? He said in the morning, and he was here first thing, and it's all sorted. So, all right, guys.
He's my escort out. He's going to take you down.
All right, safe travels.
When he turns off,
Thanks,
I'll go
Mr. Tony.
around the
All right, we'll see you when we're looking at you.
See you,
Alrighty.
Tony. Nice to see you.
All right, thank you.
Come
all
on,
right,
buddy.
Warbie, you're not going. Stay here.
Take a video. Are you on video?
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Enjoy.
Check your tyres at your first opportunity. They haven't been checked in a while.
See you, Tony. A lovely caravan.